Hello everyone, my name is Dan Spath and I'm a forecaster here at the National Weather Service in Paducah, Kentucky, and this is your weather briefing for Saturday morning, February the 28th. A winter weather advisory has been issued this morning for northwest portions of the area that are outlined here in the purple shading. The advisory will begin across southeast Missouri and southern Illinois along and west of Interstate 57 at 3 o'clock this afternoon. And then areas further east into southwest Indiana, the advisory begins at 6 o'clock this evening. The advisory will run all the way through noon tomorrow, Sunday, for the entire advisory area. We're expecting light snow to move into the region this afternoon, and best estimates for our morning's forecast was at about 3 o'clock it will be entering our far western territory. By 6 o'clock it will spread across much of southern Illinois, and by 9 o'clock it will have spread all the way through our southwest Indiana counties. And once the snow begins, we're expecting it to be fairly steady and start to accumulate rather quickly. Temperatures will be right near freezing to begin with, and after dark then they're expected to fall down into the upper 20s, but not get any colder than that. So treated roadways, there's some potential to that we may mitigate some of the travel problems where roads have been treated. Of course, untreated roadways are going to be your biggest hazards through this event. The snows are expected to continue through the evening, and then after overnight, we're expecting the snow to change over to freezing rain for a brief while with some very minor ice accumulations on top of the whatever snow we've accumulated. And then temperatures at the surface will warm above freezing very late tonight and through Sunday morning, and that'll be that warmer air will be coming in from the southeast at the surface. So by noon, we're expecting the entire area to be above freezing and bringing into this winter event. And just to illustrate, we're kind of playing up the snow potential with this event and downplaying the ice with this current forecast. And so we've got 2 to 4 inches of snow here in the far northwest portions of the area, from Albion to Fairfield and Mount Vernon, Pinckneyville, DuQuoin, those areas, and then a slight area of 1 to 2 inches to the southeast of that, and then it really diminishes down toward most of West Kentucky is probably just going to see a light dusting, if anything, with this event. Do not have an ice accumulation graphic to show you. We're just expecting very minor, a few hundredths, definitely less than 1/10 of an inch at this point in time, that would fall on top of the snow. So, say we're playing the snow up now. There's certainly potential that this could change, and we get, maybe these snow totals decrease, and we have to emphasize the ice a little bit more with the forecasts coming out later today as we get more and more information at our disposal. So just in summary, expecting anywhere from 1 to 4 inches of snow in the advisory area, and expecting less than 1/10 of an inch of ice on top of that snow accumulation. And most of this accumulation is going to occur tonight, and we're expecting it to gradually diminish from southeast to northwest as temperatures rise above freezing late tonight, tomorrow morning. Untreated roads will become slick and hazardous. Treated roads, with temperatures only expected to be in the upper 20s and around 30 degrees. Treated roads may stay wet or just be slushy, so there's hopefully we can mitigate some of the problems by treating the roads today before it gets in there. And there's a lot of potential things that could change with this forecast, so expected adjustments later today. And just stay abreast of the latest information, and we'll try and keep you advised. And this has been your weather briefing for Saturday morning, February the 28th. Thanks for listening.